Hello everyone. Are medical coders being replaced by AI, or are we entering a smarter, faster and more efficient future? Let's discuss about it. From automated code assignment to real-time claim validation, AI is now part of every stage of the RCM process. Tools like computer assisted coding and natural language processing are reducing human effort and boosting accuracy. But don't panic, coders are still the backbone of the system. AI tools read charts, pick CPT and ICD codes, and even flag denials. But here is the truth: AI doesn't understand the patient's story, it only reads data. That's why coders, with their clinical logic and judgment, remain the heart of accuracy. So, AI is not here to steal your job, it's here to steal your repetitive tasks. The coders who adapt, learn, and guide AI outputs will become tomorrow's leaders. Think of it like this: AI may assign the code, but a skilled coder ensures it tells a patient's true story. Let's be honest, automation can make mistakes, missing modifiers, misreading context, or assigning incomplete diagnosis. The risks are real. That's why organizations now need experts who can audit and validate AI based coding. And that expert could be you. So I'll say this is your moment to upgrade. Learn AI assisted coding tools, denial analytics, and documentation improvement. If you are a team lead, train your coders to work with AI, not against it. Because soon every hospital will want coders who can decode both clinical charts and machine logic. So, finally, the truth is AI is not replacing coders, it's redefining them. The coders who adapt will not just survive, they'll lead the next revolution in healthcare documentation. So the question is not, will AI take my job? It's, am I ready to grow with AI? Okay. If this video helped you see the brighter side of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medco Navigator. Thank you. Bye bye.